What's good, assholes? Taylor Adolf is a hunter, because I was at the kitchen, dialing ball typing. Epic fail. This is busted. Motherfucker. That thing always falls in. Cause it's actually up in the, I got hitting the fans off by poster. Had to dig out. Fan switch. It's really on. Then they just come back out there. It's very loose. Oh, yeah, shoot from it. It's very, very, very slow piece of junk. Balls in, I kinda. It's only speed be used on. Other than the morning, it probably won't bother me. It's not pants get cold, so. Yes, monitor his fuck. I'm be next. Yeah, piece of junk. Fucking whore. Whore. I'm gonna go buy some iron good switches over there. No. I'm gonna stop it. Good to not share with this, but I'm extra. That goes again. This goes so loose, but fuck off. Because don't go too fast, so. I'll try to get that back in there, because I'm tired. Can I see it here? Oh God. As well. Look at shit fell off. I'm going to see a whole fan move with me. Fuck. It was hot. It's going really slow and kill and push. But it's still for fact as fuck. But I think those are back past it. Those are hunters, so who knows? It's disgusting. The cleaners, substitute, went to shout to people, clean. Like someone's got these out pussies.